Hey guys! Great to have you back on the channel. We're exploring herbal teas today with a spotlight on fig leaf tea. This tea tastes great and has health perks you might not know about. We'll talk about why fig leaf tea is good for you and show you how to brew it at home. Let's jump in. Health benefits of fig leaf tea. 1. Controls blood sugar levels. Fig leaf tea helps to regulate blood sugar levels. People with diabetes find it helpful as it can lower the amount of insulin their body needs. 2. Promotes heart health. This tea has a wealth of antioxidants that have an influence on keeping your heart healthy. It lowers bad cholesterol and boosts heart health overall. 3. Helps you lose weight. Fig leaf tea doesn't have many calories and can help you manage your weight. It works as a natural cleaner, getting rid of toxins from your body. 4. Helps your gut. The tea acts as a mild laxative, which can make your digestion better and ease constipation. 5. Fights swelling. Fig leaf tea reduces swelling, which makes it good for people who have conditions like arthritis that cause swelling. Full of vitamins and minerals. Fig leaves have lots of vitamins A, B1, and B2, plus calcium, iron, phosphorus, and manganese, which all help keep you healthy. How to make fig leaf tea. What you need: 2 to 3 fresh or dried fig leaves, 2 cups of water, honey or lemon if you want to make it taste better. How to make it. If you're using fresh fig leaves, wash them well. For dried leaves, make sure they're clean and ready to use. Heat up 2 cups of water in a pot until it boils. Add the fig leaves when the water starts to boil. Let the leaves cook in the boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup after it cooks. You can add honey or a lemon slice to make it taste better, but you don't have to. Your fig leaf tea is now ready to drink. When and how to drink fig leaf tea. You can drink fig leaf tea any time of day, but it's good to have in the morning to start your day with energy, or at night to help you relax before you go to bed. Start with 1 cup a day and work your way up to 2 cups if you like how it tastes and feel good after drinking it. Like any herbal tea, drink it in small amounts, especially if you have health issues. Check with your doctor if you're not sure. So there you go, all the good things about fig leaf tea and how to make it at home. It's an easy way to boost your daily routine. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and pass it along to your friends. Remember to hit that subscribe button to get more health and wellness advice. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time. Before you go, you might find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen. Feel free to click on any of them, or, even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us.